And plus you'll see that it's machining around that cylinder masking surface that we have in there, keeping the stock together on the both left and the right. Okay, so we've got one roughing operation. And what we're going to do now is we're going to rotate the rotational axis so that the z-axis is pointing downward. So we're going to machine the bottom side. Now in the machine, we're talking top and bottom, but on your machine, it will actually be rotating upward. Obviously, you're going to machine the top, and then it'll rotate up and then machine the bottom. So we're going to do a setup. And instead of a regular setup, we're going to do a rotate table setup. And we're going to rotate the table 180 degrees with the z-axis pointing down. So when you do the rotational axis, always pay attention to where the z-axis is displayed on the screen, because it'll tell you what orientation, your parameters that you have selected, what orientation it is, so that you can verify it visually. We're going to pick OK. So we have setup 2 selected, and you'll see that the z-axis is pointing down. So now all we got to do in 4-axis, it's really easy for roughing. We're just going to copy this, and then we're going to select setup 2, and then we're going to paste it. Okay, so now we got a roughing on the bottom. We're just going to generate that. And then we're going to go ahead and simulate it. So really on your machine, it's going to be rotated up like that. Any questions? Put them in the questions panel and we'll get to them.